house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.
When y'all are getting to a home and you're taking a look at things, let's talk about the shutoff valves that are underneath the sinks and underneath the lavatories and way back behind the toilet back there.
Yeah, those are good things that you should take on a weekend and just check and make sure that they work. And again, that's what I call exercising a valve.
Okay.
It's a city term that they do on fire hydrants. They do it on everything. They exercise those valves to make sure that they work.
Well,
you know what I'm saying? So you're going to do that inside the home. You have any kind of an emergency of, say, that faucet doesn't shut off or that toilet just starts to just overflow. You want to make sure that that valve works. And if you can't budge it with your hand, you need pliers or something like that, they need to be changed out. They need to be changed out.
You don't want to take a 14-inch channel lock.
No.
To
an
angle stop. you twist it
don't
off in
wanna
the back of the wall, and
Yes.
oh boy, you got yourself a handful there.
You need to just take it by your hand and twist it. And if you cannot twist it, make sure that it gets changed out.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.